Hi, friends, and welcome to all of you. Today, I like to talk about the five Ayurvedic supplements which anyone can have at the time of their fitness, at the time of their losing weight, at the time of their exercising. And these all the five elements of Ayurvedic supplements has their different benefits. But prior we jump on the topic of the what are these five elements or what are these five supplements, I like to talk about it. What is supplement, and when should we have it, and how should we have it? So basically, what is supplement? Supplements are those products which enhance our excellent diet, which means there is a role of a diet is a 97%, then 3% is the role of a supplements. If you don't take your good diet, then supplements has no role. And we should not depend on supplements only. Supplements only improves our diet and nothing. So there is some benefits for supplements if you have some kind of goal, like if you want to lose weight, if you want to gain muscle, if you want to be active, there is some role. But if you are not having a good diet, then there is no use of supplements, and you should not even try for them. This is the topic which I am speaking is only for those people who has their excellent diets and who wants to regain something to lose weight or gain muscles. Now, the second question is when should we have it? As I have already mentioned that if you want to lose your weight, or if you want to increase your muscle size, or if you want to increase your activity level, on that time you can have these supplements. And you should always take breaks while taking these supplements, because let's say if you are trying to lose your weight and for the 3 months you are taking an Ayurvedic supplement, after that you can have a break of a 1 month, and again you can give them a chance to work on you. And after that, once you reach your potential goal, then you should stop taking them, because it cannot take over your excellent diet. So until and unless you have some kind of target to achieve, on that time, till that time only have the supplements. Otherwise, if you have everything included in your diet, then you should have. But I have seen among the people who are professional, who are businessmen, who are executives, who are managers, that usually due to their hard work and due to their daily routine, they are not able to concentrate on a good diet. On that time, these supplements are very beneficial and very useful, because whatever you cannot have in your lunch box, you can have in a form of a Ayurvedic tablet. So on that time, I recommend to them that in current situation, they must have the good immune power, they must have the good health, they must be having a good healthy lifestyle, and they must be having a good healthy way of living. So on that time, these supplements can be benefits for them. Now the next question arises that how should we take them? Every supplement has its own potential and its own way of taking, which we will discuss further whenever we talk about each and every supplements. So, my friend, first of all, I like to start up with a supplement which is known as a green tea. Green tea or an organic tea, or it is a quite beneficial for the weight losing. Or if you want to have a healthy lifestyle, then it is the first point or first thing which we must include in our diet. Basically, usually what I have seen among the people that usually they don't like the taste of green tea, because it seems sometimes it's bitter to them. But I like to suggest a brand name which is known as Tulsi Original from Organic India. You can give it a try to them, and just have a just have a cup of a green tea after every meal. Once you have your breakfast, then have your green tea. Once you have your lunch, have your green tea. Once you have your dinner, have your green tea. Even in the evening also you can have your green tea, because it has zero calories and the benefits are so much. So especially for those people who are trying to lose their weight, it is a kind of a boon for them. So whenever they feel low energy, whenever they feel low, whenever their appetite is not satisfied, they can have the green tea along with their meals. So this is how it works. And there are so many other benefits also for green tea, that it is very helpful to cure cancer also, because of its antioxidant properties, and it is very good for your mental health also. And we should have a cup of green tea every day. But if you want to reduce your weight, then you must take the way which I have already mentioned to you. and you can have it whenever you want. You should not need to take any breaks into it. Now the second supplement which I like to talk about, its name is the Triphala. Triphala is a basically made up of three fruits, three Indian fruits. They are ancient. One is the amla, then second one is harda, and third one is beda. So basically, these three are the Hindi names which I have mentioned, and these are having a very ancient Ayurvedic properties into it, and it helps in our digestive system. What we have seen in those people who are obese and those people who are overweight, they do not have good digestive system into them because their digestive system is not digesting their fats. So that's why on that time I like to recommend them that they should have the Triphala along with their lunch and along with their dinner. Once they have their lunch, they can have their one capsule of Triphala, and once they have dinner, they have two capsules of Triphala. The brand which I like to recommend is again is Organic India. Organic India is quite a popular name, and I have seen that they whatever they built is kind of very much organic and very much very less. They do not use any kind of food saviors or pesticides and other things. So that's why I think you can have. So, as a part of a Triphala, it's going to improve your digestive system. Amla has the power to build your good immunity. It is good for the anemia. It is good for inflammation. Everything you can have as a part of Triphala, and you should take for the period of 2 months, and after that take a break of a 1 month, and again you start for the 2 months. And if you are trying to lose your weight, and if you do not want to lose your weight, and if you have a good digestive system, then I would don't like to recommend you to have Triphala. The third supplement which I like to talk about is the Ashwagandha. It is for especially for the professionals, executives, manager, or salespeople who has some kind of stress in their life. Ashwagandha is a very ancient herb, and it has its miraculous property to cure the stress. Basically, we have a hormone known as cortisol hormone, and it is a kind of a, you can say, the weight increasing hormone. It suggests, it instruct our body that we should not start digesting our fat. So whoever has the high cortisol level, they usually do not lose their weight oftenly. So that's why I like to recommend to all of you that you must have the Ashwagandha, and the brand which I would like to recommend is a Patanjali Ashwagandha, and it is a quite benefit. It is a quite pure form, and it is a uh, value for money also product, and you can have it whenever you are getting ready to go to your bed, so you can have a stress free sleep. And basically it is very helpful for weight reduction, because the cortisol, or we can say the stress, is also another component. That's why we have the bad health, or we become overweight. So this is the third one. The fourth one, which I like to recommend, and which is kind of very different, very ancient, and very much quite popular in countries which are different from India, other from India. This is known as a Brahmi. Brahmi has a scientific approach, and basically it is you can say it is a brain supplement. Uh, Whenever we try to lose our weight, on that time our metabolism gets loosed down, because our body has a tendency to save the energy. So that's why it slows down the metabolism of major organs like liver, uh, digestive system, brain. So usually they work slow at the time of losing weight. So on that time, Brahmi gives our mind, our brain a boosting activity, boosting energy, so that they can work with the attention, or they can work consciously in their work time. So this is how the Brahmi works. Brahmi basically makes our mind active, and those children who have problem of the ADHD, it is an attention disorder, the long-term use of Brahmi is very much helpful for them. So it can be the part of this thing, but without consulting to your doctor, you should not start for the children's. But I do not recommend them. But if a person who is a professional and who is working actively and who is trying to lose weight, on that time you can give it a try for a monthly basis, and after that take a break of a 10 days and once again start it for the monthly basis. So this is how you can have the Brahmi. You can have a one capsule of Brahmi once in a day. The fifth point and the fifth supplement and the brand which I like to talk about the Brahmi is the Organic India Brahmi. Once again, due to its potential and due to its health benefits, even I have also tried it. So that's why when I was working in my job, so you can give it a try. Uh, the uh, the fifth supplement which I like to talk about is LKC. It is a brand name of Organic India. Its full form is Liver Kidney Care. So basically, as you can see, as you can understand, uh, it basically take care for our liver and kidney. So basically, then whenever a person become a obese, overweight, and whenever a person has the health issue, these two organs, kidney and liver, plays a very vital role. The liver is the organ which usually produces the fats, and the kidney is the organ which usually clean the fat. So on that time, whenever a person who takes so much alcohol or so much junk food, our liver and kidney start to working disorderly. So that's why I recommend whenever you're trying to lose your weight, especially at the time of losing of weight, Trifla and the LKC is the Ayurvedic supplement which I usually recommend to my clients, and they can have the benefits of these two supplements in their life because LKC has a very ancient herbs into it, and those herbs helps into to clean our liver. So basically, if you are having a good diet and if you are losing your weight, then it helps to supplement our liver so that it can function proper. It supplements to our kidney so that it function proper. It doesn't mean that you can have the junk food in a restaurant if you have the popcorns and samosas in your everyday activity and you have these supplements or LKC, then it will cure everything out. No, it's not going to work like this. So basically, it only helps you so that you can have the good liver and good kidney to clean your fats. And even if you are if you are taking so much proteins also, and for the muscle building and all, it is a quite important point for those who are looking forward for building their muscles. On that time, liver kidney care helps their kidney as and their liver to work properly so that whatever the wastage of the protein is there, then liver and kidney can take care for them. So basically, it boosts our liver and kidney. And as I already mentioned, that the brand which I would like to recommend is the Organic India LKC brand. And the way to take is to you just need to take it in a quarterly basis, and after that, take a gap of a 1 month. These all the supplements which I have mentioned are not for the pregnant women and for those people who are suffering from any kind of diseases. These all are the supplement for those people who are overweight. And basically, as a part of my diet consultations and as a part of my clients, I take care. I like to know about their. Usually, I take their blood reports, and after that, I prescribe them about these supplements. But you can give them a try because they have not side effects except the Brahmi. Brahmi, I would not like to recommend you. But if you like to try, then you can give a try to all four of them, and you can see the results and what kind of benefits you are getting in your body. So these are the talk. This is the talk about the Brahmi and the five first supplement which I have mentioned, which is the first one is the green tea, the second one is ashwagandha, third one is Brahmi, the fourth one is LKC, and the fifth one is Trifla. So these are the five supplement which we have talked about today, and for basically this diet has its kind of its own knowledge, and usually I like to recommend Ayurvedic because it has very less side effects in our body, and we can have it and we can have it for the long time in our life. And I have built a course which includes all the knowledge about the supplement, which includes all the knowledge about the diet, then how you can design your diet and how can you have the mindset and how what kind of exercise you need to do. And I call my this whole uh, course as a 30-day challenge where I give you the information, the knowledge, and the mindset and the task, 30 tasks for everyday basis, so that you can adapt yourself in this diet. And even I have built a community also, so that in future if you want to have any of the questions, if you in future if you want to be if you want to be in touch with me, so you can be in touch with me. And in 30 days, what you will be capable of, that you are capable of, what kind of supplement you should have, what kind of diet you should have as per your body, and how to make your meal plans, and what kind of mindset you should need to have a healthy body. So this is all about today. If you wish to contact me, you can contact me on 9033 929540, and you can also WhatsApp me on that. Thank you.